So phase 4 marked the start of interfaces, user interfaces, start screens, pause screens, and buttons, and getting to work with functionality for buttons, getting to work with functionality like a button on an object that isn't a button, and connecting all those through functions and scripts. And also experiencing for the first time with Unity the ability to work through the sizing of different screens and how the menus, how the interfaces would interact with them or how they would look on them. And I said from the beginning that playing this on a browser is a necessity, but also playing it on a browser on a phone is really a necessity. I would like this to be something that can be done in browser on mobile and through some testing that proved to be the case. I'll get to that in a second. Before that, it was a series of realizing that after a while I could step away from the anchoring to certain elements for the sizing purposes on different screens because I needed the functionality to work and I needed the menus to operate how they would on a standard desktop with normal horizontal or normal landscape orientation. So got that working, and then realized that it's probably time to switch the Unity build settings to go true mobile, which didn't cause any major headaches, thank goodness, and was able to produce the first experience of playing it in a browser, which is again what my goal was. So this phase really ended when I was able to get it working, just to be able to move the character around and actually play the game for a few seconds in an actual browser, and then coming back to wrap up the start screen, pause screen, and start preparation for the inventory screen that will eventually be turned into essentially a crafting subscreen to the inventory screen. And that was the close of phase 4.